And there may be a second one coming too, I think the other direction. Must be. Because the waysides are activating again. Well, that's interesting. So there's a second problem with the waysides at Johnson. They're activating while the train is going by. Huh. Okay, so to recap, engine 9129 northbound at 9129 northbound at 21:57 Central Time. Honk the horn, long, short, long, while the waysides were on active, lights are visible to the driver. In addition, after the engine passed and the train was occupying the intersection, the waysides began honking a second sequence, which would normally indicate a second train is coming in the opposite direction, but there was no such other train in the opposite direction. That was a wayside malfunction.